Maybe you can see what I'm walking over here, but it's a definitely interesting surface to ride over. We decided to go over a pass here today that was about 20 miles and maybe 3,000 feet or something like that in elevation climbing down. But there's a real secret to this, which I'll share with you in just a second. So if you can see behind me, there's a gorge here that's got to be 1,000 feet deep. Pretty amazing. That's the kind of stuff you open yourself up to if you're willing to ride the gravel roads. The challenge is riding 2 up and fully loaded on this bike. It's just bouncy and it's difficult. So the key is to drop your air pressures. On this particular bike, it's a 36-42, 36 in the front, 42 in the back is your normal road tire inflation. But for this, I dropped both of them down about 8 to 10 pounds, and it makes an absolute unbelievable difference on how easier it makes it to ride this kind of a road. So there's a rider tip. And the part I forgot to tell you about when you air your tires down for a stretch of gravel road is you have to air them back up. So we carry a little easy to use 12-volt tire pump, which has this type of a plug for a BMW plug, but there's others. And this plugs right in the side, and we can easily air the tires right back up to road pressure. And that's what we're gonna do now. And there we are, right back to proper road pressure. On the front tire for the BMR, it's 36, and we'll shortly do the rear back to 42.
See the world from our handlebars. Ride along with us at Buggy Teeth.